Hello everyone, today I want to play game Jet Chronicle. Let's play. It been some like Jet, but it been something like ancient fighting. I should start story mode. Ancient like some kind of Sparta or something like soldier from ancient. Need to play part 1 now. There's been an act of treasure on Jet Island. King Ides rumor has it that Sapphire, the king of Shady Half-brother, had him murdered so we can be accent Devon. But no one can prove he is guilty of this. That he intended the imminent Princess Leia, that rightful successor to the throne, but with the help of his loyal chest, Real Gordon Penning Leia is able to escape. I need to skip now. That be next by next. Okay, that is my volume. I need to protect this land from someone want to try. How dare you? If you want to get past me, you will first have to defeat me. So the Spartan with wizard want to fight together, and I should modern. I will try to some writing. Oh no, they is smart. Should be back to WeChat Pay again. Now I need to make detail. Now wizard come and I need to loading this part. Oh no, I don't know why they came like it. Just is part 1 of me, and to be continued is part 2 for maybe another day. And I think this one and this night I will try to collab him again. But this will be okay for me. I need to jump to defeat. Now magic want to hitting me. I need to take away this. Now I need to keeping him by my phone. He's not one, he's just some kind of little soldier of this group. Now I want to knight to defeat Queen is protect king right now. But I want to try some let that magic B continue. Now I need to castle too. Queen had come, and I will take my knight to conquer. But my queen is still stand. Can defeat by that part. I need to go away and being like this. Being him will be killed. Now I need to take hit queen with my queen now. I don't want to take the day. I just want Luke to hipping her.นี่สุดท้ายพอไว้ Yeah, I need to root attack ให้ queen. Now I need to contain her by my soldier. And now soldier will have support of magic. I need to conquer her group. And be to my queen separate again. Don't know what him do, but I have two queen now. Just one queen, same queen, but some kind of separate body. Now I still wanting to attack. I have queen now to attack them. You write something called nearly end now. My queen is still weak, but I need to conquer her. Now he's still alive, but it's no longer. I need to quit my pack and I need to trade magic with him. Now it's not like, but it's like. Now I need to use my queen to take some soldier of him. Now I need to take Docker with him. Now is I try to at night to separate them. Okay, I think I can separate them by night. And my do still want to communicate him. And now we still want to but by night is dangerous now. Need to keep them like that. And now I can finish so many of them. Now my night is working. And I don't know how to checkmate him again. Just be by side. Now I need to confuse him with queen and with my queen and some rook. Because he can move off. Oh no. I need to fight it again. With classic already. We got modern it fine now. Now my queen had conquered him like this. Okay, I win now. Going to see how is that possible? Are you very big there? So you are that it will only begin after the next chapter. Okay, I win now. And I need to this part wait something like this. Okay now. I will use this in the next part. Just be okay and thank you for watching everyone. Bye. Maybe next part I will win by this modern.